Unlock the full potential of your Nikon Z50 for studio and product photography by mastering remote control with NX Tether. First, ensure your Nikon Z50 is properly set up. Locate the USB port on your camera, typically found behind a small door. Make sure your camera's battery is sufficiently charged. Now, connect your Nikon Z50 to your computer using a high-quality USB-C cable. A reliable connection is crucial for smooth operation. Next, download and install the NX Tether software from the official Nikon website. Once installed, launch the application. With NX Tether open, click the Detect Camera button. The software will scan for connected Nikon cameras. Your Nikon Z50 should appear in the list of detected devices. Select your camera from the drop-down menu and then click Connect. You'll now see the live view feed from your Z50 directly on your computer screen, acting as a large, detailed monitor. This is where the magic happens. You can now remotely adjust all essential camera settings: aperture, shutter speed, ISO, white balance, and even exposure compensation. This offers unparalleled precision for studio shoots and product photography, allowing for subtle adjustments without touching the camera itself. NX Tether also allows you to remotely trigger the shutter for perfectly timed shots, streamlining your workflow and enabling professional, error-free shoots. This remote control capability is invaluable for collaborative projects, allowing multiple people to monitor and contribute to the creative process. Master NX Tether for your Nikon Z50 and elevate your photography with precise remote control and a remarkably efficient workflow.